The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla!
Wagwan my people, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, so I have pieces of audios that I'm going to put together and present to you, my viewers and subscribers, and these audios are from a person who explained in his words what happened on the day when an artist who goes by the name of Stephen Brown had been shot and killed by a off-duty police officer on Irish Town Road, or close to a place that is known as Maryland, that is within the parish of St. Andrew, that is in the country of Jamaica, on the 4th of June, the year 2021. See? Now, residents are saying that the man lost his life due to a big misunderstanding and mix-up, and some persons are saying that the man lost his wallet and he was trying to find his documents and all these kind of different things. So no, I'm not going to get into those details. However, before I present these pieces of audios to you, my viewers and subscribers, right? It is said that the off-duty police officer went to the Garden Town police and made a report, and according to a news article that I read, it is said that the policeman, or the off-duty policeman, made reports that they were traveling along the road when two men allegedly stepped out into the road and demanded money and wanted his vehicle, and one thing lead to another, and it is said that the off-duty police shot the man with his service pistol. And it is reported say the other person, who at the time was believed to be a robber, had escaped. You see? Yeah, so that's the report. It's not exactly word for word, but that's the understanding that I got from the news article that I read, saying the report that the off-duty police officer gave to the Garden Town police. You see? All right. Now, here are the pieces of audios from the person explaining in his words what happened that day. Take a listen and observe.
Yeah man, copy that, copy all of the info them hillside. Copy some of that, nothing for hide, brother. I just see you up and figure up and fuck up everything and go on. You see me? Okay, copy some of that popping on the youth, come cast to me. You see me, man, next youth and the massive boy, him drop out in documents, him red light, him wallet in documents. So he must say him get a ride on a van, but like him wallet drop, so he get to understand say it's some man I watch it on a blue truck take it up. You see me I say, so he must say he want to reach back a red light to go catch. To go catch what he took before they left. One time we left and I want to come up and get a call to the truck left from red light, brother. You see me? So I say he call for a second and call a brother named Sosa and ask him, so one blue truck pass. And Sosa say no. So he tell Sosa say, look if him see the truck a pass and stop them and ask them about the wallet and what's there, because he must have him documents and everything in there, you see me? Yeah. So when we reach on a them side and come out now, he get a next call. You see me? The name when me hear him call a night. You see me? And one night I know and I go to work at the bar right on and Leslie. You see me? Say the truck pass, the blue truck pass, Leslie a come down back. So the dan say, yo, stop at Ambran Tree. About the past Ambran Tree. You see me? Yeah. So I saw now, when we reach at Ambran Tree, I stop me there, because I carry the park up on the right hand side, so I couldn't even get a good parking. So I stop now before I fix up now, him and the youth jump out of the car, you see me? Because they want to see the truck come down. Anyway, now, I try to park up, set up good, you see me? In the corner, because I don't know them place set away car out on the road, you see me? Same time the truck come around the corner, brother. I fix up the car for park good. And I know still what the youth must go across the road and I don't know what him say. So he chop beat and the man say something, brother. I'm going to hear pow around 2 shots, brother. Chop man drive off as in shoot him. Drive off, brother. You see me? And the man go right at intersection this for go Maryland and go down the road and stop. So told the man stop, brother. I saw the blood cleat this. This come like a gunman thing. You see me? So brother, I'm jumping, come see the man and the woman where they go buy something on the stall. We drive the car the front time. They run towards the car. So brother, I just turn my car. I just continue to go up the road, brother. You see me? I just pull from behind the car and go up the road. Cause I don't know if I turn him at the top and I come back to turn for shoot somebody else, our brother. Cause you don't know what things are going on and want to know what it is what I can't trust somebody. So as I start move, brother. And so go up the road, brother, you see me? So I don't know what going on for that, brother, but don't feel fuck up, brother. I couldn't even check in and box have on the service, the dead, brother, you see me? They are going to hold it still now, and you, they still grow together, you see me? Yeah, man. And you, they cook pot together and everything. So I don't like some, I don't know the man. See the man and pop in and the man saying document them. Last, can't tell the man no. You see me, I say my general car, I go to it, I know how it feel. And the girl going and I can't take out my pouch, my ID, my driver's license, everything. Brother, I know one easy challenge, so I know how it feels. So I have to bring the man who I really like. Just that the phone call or the man get brother say blow truck I come down back and that go on, you know. At the end of the day, come like I just wrong fucking truck, brother. You see me? I know. They are going to hold it still on the side family, up. Just make you know my part is my side of the store and all thing, you see me? Yeah, man. The next shooter he did it still. In the outside, you're supposed to see everything will go on, you see me? Yeah. But I'm running, him take for himself. Because I'm frightened. Yeah, man. Up.
So you saw me answer my people, this whole thing seems to be because the person lost his wallet. And I try to get back his wallet. Hey, man, I tell you, it's rough, you know. You have to be careful, you know, people. Hey, sometimes you have to really and truly know how to approach a certain situation some of the times. You have to really careful, you know. Because who knows, maybe the man innocently try to ask for his wallet and someone just take it the wrong way and think that's the man that do something else, and who knows. So I say, me not judge nobody, you know, but this one is a delicate situation right here, so you know, man. That one a delicate bad. Eh? You lose the documents, it's hard for lose the documents. In a day time, you know. You run round, you have to go run round to get back this papers and get back this card and all these things. Who knows what last at the time? You see me? Because I can't tell what the man last at the time. You see me? I say? And maybe you could have an appointment or something to go do and you need the documents them at the moment to get certain things done. You see it? Yeah. So you know them say the half-duty police officer shot and killed an artist who goes by the name of Stephen Brown. Chano, condolences to the friends and the families and the loved ones of Stephen Brown. You see? And go up to them find the strength to pull through something like this, cause Chano, that one I saw now way. And even if I mix up or misunderstanding that the man lost his life, what's going to happen now? And that me I think about, you know. Cause nothing can bring back the man's life. Nothing can bring back the man's life, you know. It's only the powers of God can come and say, hey, and do certain miracles right now, cause nothing can bring back the man's life. Tough, man. Anyways, big up and respect to each and every one. My name is Dancehall Skilla. And big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, man, you know where I watch. Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla.
You are watching
Dancehall skilla entertainment.